Welcome to Rigboy Pro, the ultimate PC builder WordPress plugin. In this video, we'll cover how to install and set up Rigboy Pro plugin. Before we begin, you can see Documentation Guide on Documentation tab. Ready? Great. Let's start. Let's install Rigboy PC Builder plugin. To do this, click Plugins on left menu, then click Add New. To run Rigboy plugin, you must install WooCommerce plugin, because this plugin works with WooCommerce. Let's back to install Rigboy. Click Upload Plugin, then click on Browser button, open Rigboy plugin folder, select Rigboy plugin zip file, then click Open. After doing that, just click Install Now button. It will install on your site. Activate the plugin. After activated, now you can see Rigboy PC Builder menu on Dashboard menu side. Just click to see Admin Dashboard.
Welcome to Rigboy PC Plugin Admin Dashboard. First, choose your shop or brand logo with click Choose Logo button. Locate your logo directory and add that. Now you will see Preview your logo on this box. The best logo size format is 247 by 121 pixel. Either if it's bigger than this size, then looks odd or breaks design table, so beware of that. This is Rigboy shortcode that must be used in your page. We'll come back later on this. You see here lots of category buttons. We will work with this later. And Save Setting button for save these settings.